How do you know a Floridian supports cannabis legalization? Always on a high vote. Welcome to our newsy nugget on the recent cannabis controversy in Florida. We delve into the bold move by My Florida Green, a medical cannabis certification company, as they attempt to block an adult-use cannabis legalization ballot initiative in the state Supreme Court. Companies concerned? The reform's apparent focus on profits from recreational sales, which they argue could impact patient care and public health. Some may find it odd for a medical cannabis company to oppose adult use expansion. My Florida Green insists their concern lies in the state's medical cannabis market's ability to effectively provide care for existing patients. But it's not just My Florida Green stirring the pot. Let's delve into the legal tussle surrounding this issue. Florida's Attorney General Ashley Moody and Governor Ron DeSantis have been making waves of their own. Both have taken a stand against a proposed constitutional amendment that would legalize recreational cannabis use in the state. Moody argues that the language of the ballot is misleading, making it difficult for voters to fully understand the implications. This isn't a black and white issue, though. Different sectors have taken contrasting positions. Trulieve, a medical marijuana operator, is championing the legalization effort. However, the Florida Chamber of Commerce and the Drug Free America Foundation are less enthusiastic, voicing their opposition to the proposed amendment. But wait, there's more. Governor DeSantis' stance on cannabis is a bit of a mixed bag. While he's against decriminalizing cannabis due to concerns about youth access, he's also lifted a state ban on smokable marijuana and has voted in favor of protecting state cannabis programs. So while he's not lighting up a victory joint for cannabis advocates just yet, he's not entirely against it either. The road to cannabis legalization in Florida is proving to be a winding one, with various stakeholders taking different stands. Now let's zoom out and consider the broader picture of cannabis legalization in the United States. A key figure in this discourse is Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis. On the national scene, DeSantis has expressed concerns about youth access to marijuana, citing the potential for abuse. Despite these worries, his track record on cannabis issues is a bit of a mixed bag. Notably, he lifted a state ban on smokable marijuana and voted in favor of protecting state cannabis programs during his time as a congressman. The Sunshine State is also gearing up for a significant milestone: the potential ballot measure for recreational cannabis legalization in 2024. This effort, however, is not without its hurdles. The proposed amendment faces opposition from various fronts, including the state's attorney general and even some players within the medical marijuana industry. These concerns stem from a range of issues, from the clarity of the ballot's language to fears about the impact on patient care and public health. Amidst all this, the question of how legalization would align with federal law remains a significant point of contention. While the debate rages on, one thing is clear: the issue of cannabis legalization is far from settled, not just in Florida, but across the country. That wraps up our quick update on Florida's cannabis conundrum. If you want to stay updated on all things cannabis, remember to subscribe and smash that like button. Don't be shy, join the conversation in our cannabis group on Facebook. You'll find the link in the description below, along with other useful resources. For those of you who like to delve deeper, Marijuana Moment is your go-to site for comprehensive news on cannabis legislation and more. Until next time, stay informed and stay high-spirited.